everyone, welcome to Discovering Natural. Today I am doing a challenge, and this challenge is called the 3 hairstyles in 30 minutes wash day routine. Do you think I can do it? I think I can do it. I'll be using products from the Naturalicious line because that products, I tell you, it helps me speed up my wash day. I get everything done, and you guys, if you've been watching my videos, you know how much I love their product. Are you guys ready? Let's get started. I'm gonna start off by sectioning my hair into 5 sections, and that is because the crown area is the very delicate area, so I want to make sure I really scrub that section well. So I'm going to start off with washing my hair with the Moroccan Razzle 5-in-1 clay treatment. This acts as a detangler, cleanser, conditioner, deep conditioner, and as a leave-in conditioner. So the first thing I will do is spray my hair really well to saturate it, and you can do this in the shower, but today I wasn't even feeling like getting in the shower, so I'm just spraying my hair with the water. Next, I will be applying the Razzle clay first to my scalp and then to my hair. As I apply it, it's gliding really well because my hair is soaking wet. You do have to use a lot of this product, but for me, I'm very greedy when it comes to using products, and you can see that I can walk it through my hair and it detangles my hair really well. So to do that section, it just took about 1 minute and 15 seconds. So I'm just going to repeat this for the rest of my hair. After rinsing my hair off, this is what time it is. And the next thing I'll be doing is I'm going to style my hair in a wash and go, a true wash and go. So to do this wash and go, I will be sectioning my hair the way I want my wash and go to fall, and then I will start off with applying their hair mist, which acts as a moisturizer. It also acts like my leave-in, and it is really good because it strengthens my hair. After I've applied this throughout my hair in that one section, I will also be using their moisturizer to moisturize my hair. Then the last thing I will do is I will use the oil to moisturize my hair, kind of to seal in that moisture and to reduce frizz. I'll repeat this for all the sections of my hair. I told you it was a fast wash and go, and that wash and go took about 6 minutes. So now on to the next style. The next style I'm going to do is just a simple style. I think you guys can follow along, so I'm just gonna stop talking and let you enjoy the remaining of the 2 styles. As you can see, I was successful in completing this challenge, and I'm really happy I was able to use the product from the Naturalicious line. If you guys try this challenge, I would strongly advise you to try it out using their product because it's quick and fast. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.